Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. I want to start on the larger time frame so we can take a look at the larger context to understand what's going on here on the SUI chart. The overall idea is that this chart is still in a potential upside reversal attempt. I intentionally call it attempt because we haven't got a confirmed upside reversal, not from here, yeah. So what we now need to see after we've seen a 5-wave move up from the April low, this here could be a corrective pullback, but we need to get basically a 5-wave move up from the recent low, from the Sunday low, as a first, let's say, solid confirmation that a low has indeed formed. So I need to see 5 waves up, at least on the micro level. We haven't seen that yet. And then overall, I mean, it can move to $10 plus, yeah, but a lot can go wrong along the way. Please keep that in mind. A lot can go wrong along the way. Just just a few green candles are not yet an upside reversal confirmation. So what we now need to do is we will need to take a look at the smaller time frame first. Here on the smaller time frame, we can see from this swing low, from the 22nd of June low, we have seen wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. And here you can see why I cannot call this a 5-wave move up yet, because, well, one more high is missing, right? We have seen 3 waves up. This here indeed could be a 4th wave pullback right now, but it's just moving sideways. It's basically dancing on this micro support region. Now, while I record this video, we only have 3 waves up, but I always want to give you an understanding of, what are the pathways, so that when you watch the video maybe a little later or tomorrow, you can, you have the understanding of, okay, did we actually get the 5 waves or not? If we get another high before the price breaks below $2.58, yeah, then we have 5 waves up. So for example, what could happen is maybe another dip, but we're holding $2.58, then another rally. That's a 5-wave move. Then the next step will be to watch for a corrective pullback that should form a higher low and that could be a setup for higher prices. Important to understand that when we hold $2.58, the next rally could take us to $2.90, ideally not, but ideally a little higher. So $3.02 or $3.08 are the next upside levels to watch, because ideally that 5th wave would reach maybe 1 or 2 levels higher than the 3rd wave. So let's see first if we can get these 5 waves. If we don't, and the price breaks below $2.58, the 50% retracement before forming that 5th wave, the market could cope with one more low. But what we really should avoid in a bullish scenario is a decisive break below the larger degree 78.6 retracement. But that will likely be tested then, yeah, $2.09. That would be the short-term bearish count. So basically, the $2.58 level is the pivot that helps us to distinguish between short-term bullish and short-term bearish momentum. Yeah, that's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.